In front of me is CUBOT X19 S, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this device. So at first you need to open the settings, then find and select security and location, and go to fingerprint. Tap on next then, and at first you need to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code or the password. So let me choose pattern, click on yes to confirm all the necessary permissions, and draw the unlock pattern that you would like to apply. Then re-enter it just to confirm. And now you need to manage the content storage. So I will hide sensitive ones, tap on done, and now you need to tap the sensor. It is located at the back cover of your device, so it is right here. Just keep tapping like this, you will feel the smooth vibration, and as you can see, by lifting up and placing your finger on the sensor, you can smoothly add your fingerprint. And that's it. Click on done then. And from now on, you will be able to unlock your device either with this backup pattern that we set, or with your fingerprint only. So I will just put my fingerprint on the sensor. And that's it. So that will be all. This is how you can protect your phone with a fingerprint. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.